Hello everyone, in today's video we are making tuna omelette for breakfast. This is a no sugar, low carb breakfast consisting of eggs and tuna, which are both high protein, and this dish is very easy to make even if you don't have too much time in the mornings. There are only 3 main ingredients in this omelette. In a bowl, combine tuna and the eggs. I used the ratio of 1 can of tuna to 2 eggs. Here we have 2 cans of tuna and 4 eggs. Then we season it with black pepper and salt. Then we add the chopped green onions. We mix well. In a frying pan, heat olive oil. I use a copper pan for frying food because it heats and cooks the food faster. Pour in the omelette mixture in the heated pan. The only thing you need to cook here are the eggs. You can also add some parsley flakes for flavoring, but this is completely optional. This omelette is good for 2 people. This breakfast is a good alternative to the sugary cereals and muffins and other high-carb breakfast items like bread with jam or butter. Hope you can try this very simple and healthy breakfast recipe. If you're vegan, you can replace the tuna with white button mushrooms. Thank you for watching. Here are related healthy breakfast videos in my channel. Have a lovely day.